And today we're doing the Captain America Civil War Marvel Collector Corps box. So
blockbuster movie, blockbuster box.
Me and him saw it, but my sister has not. It's really good.
Oh, look at that.
Okay, so first up, there's the box. And we won't say any spoilers. So. But there's the patch. There's the pen. Black Panther and Crossbones. And
Whoa, what we got here?
the comic. Black Panther #1. A lanyard. Civil War. Pop Civil War. It's cool. We'll show them that later. It's showing everything. The t-shirt. It's Civil War. I don't know if we'll open that or not. The Orbs. It's Iron Man with his mask off.
Pretty nice. Smiling.
Yeah, which it's weird because the movie's not really happy. But and there's
double pops.
2 pops. Captain America and Iron Man, like in fighting poses. Very nice.
Very nice.
So
Inside the
All right,
box.
what do we have here?
it comes with a little.
Oh, yeah, inside the box. Very
Yeah.
cool.
It comes-
Good artwork.
Comes with this little thing. The next box is Women of Power, which we will do that unboxing. Shows every box. We have all of them. We just haven't made videos on all of them. It shows you about the backstory on why they made it. Like this, that was the original comic. Then they were gonna do Iron Man and Captain America, which is weird because it's a Black Panther comic, and so they changed it to Black Panther. Like if it was a variant cover, it would have been cool if it was a variant cover of like Civil War #1, and that was the picture. But I mean, they gotta give Black Panther some love. So yeah, there's all the stuff.
Very cool.
So yeah, that's about it. So
Short and sweet and to the point.
yeah, if you haven't got one and you still can get one, I recommend it. So bye guys.